Okay, so this video, what I'm showing in relation to dynamic mechanisms is the first question here. So you might want to pause the video at this point just to take down the first question. But it's from a mock paper, so you won't find this online too easily. So it says that the image on the right shows a logarithmic spiral staircase, and you're asked to draw a logarithmic spiral. The spiral has an initial radius of 80 millimeters, and each successive radius reduces in the ratio of 8 to 7 over 30 degrees. Okay? So in relation to that one, there's a little bit of drawing to do. The first thing I have to do is set up the 8 is to 7 and the 30 degrees. So I'm just going to go to the top right hand corner of my sheet. Set this up. So drawing a line across. I'm going to draw in a 30 degree line as well. So that's the 30 degrees that they spoke about in the question. Now, the first thing that I'm going to mark off is 80 millimeters. So that's 80. And then I'm going to mark off 70 millimeters. Okay? So this is the 8 is to 7 ratio that they were talking about. And I'm going to join that 8 and 7 together. I then get my compass. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to swing where I just finished up onto the 30 degree line so that I can do the next ratio down. So I'm going to point my compass here at the point of the angle, pencil where it was in 70, and I'm swinging that up. Now I'm taking the exact same angle. It's not vertical now, it's a little bit different than vertical. And I'm going to the next one, and I'm dropping that line down to the 70 again. Then I swing that back up again. Same angle again as the first line. Bring that here, bring it down. I'll just keep repeating this process. If you have an adjustable set square now, it can be a little bit easier than using the sliding set squares to get the angle. And what you should see happening is as you get closer to the end, the gaps will start to get a lot closer to each other, a lot more rapidly. Now the question doesn't state how far to go, but I'm going to do one full revolution, which means I need to get at least 12 points. So at the moment I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Might go a little bit further, get 8. Nine. So you should see I'm setting myself up every time on the outside line. Now you'll never reach the point at the end. That's the concept of a logarithmic. It's actually impossible to reach where the point of the compass is with the swinging. You'll get close to it, but you'll never reach it. So, just need to count them again. So you're going to be taking your measurements from the top line. So I have 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. And the reason why I'm doing 12 is because we're told it's in 30 degree steps. So that means somewhere else I have a bit of space now. I'm going to set up my 30-60 set square going through one common point. Because again, you were told that it's in 30 degree intervals. So this is the 30 degree interval element of the question now being put onto a spiral. Now, naturally, because it's a mock paper, there is a lack of information given in relation to, you know, does it swing clockwise, does it swing anti-clockwise, where's the starting point? None of that information is given. That's just because of the quality of the exam. It's not because you're expected to know some more information off by heart. What I'm going to just have, we'll say, for example, this line over here to the right, which I'll highlight now in a minute, is going to be my starting line. I just want to make sure we can see everything on the camera. So I'm going to have this line here as my start. Okay? And I'm going to go in an anti-clockwise direction, or sorry, in a clockwise direction. So I get my compass, and I'm going back up now to my angle I have set up. I'm going from the point of the angle again to the very first measurement. And now I'm coming over here again to my drawing, and I'm marking that off on my first line. I then go back over here again to my drawing, and I take the next one down, again point to the next one down, and I'm going to swing that then onto this line here. And I'm going to keep repeating that process until I have all 12 points marked. And that will complete the logarithmic spiral. So you're going to finish on the line you started on. And then all I have to do is to join up them points freehand to get my curve. Now, where could this question go further? You could be asked to draw a displacement diagram for that thing. It could be a cam profile. There could be more to it than what we've just done. But that is part A of that question. Okay, next video will show part B.